Hello, my name's Annie Adamson, and this is Janaina. We're going to take a look at Parivrtta Anjaneyasana, which is a twist inside of a lunge. Now, some of the challenges about this particularly is that when we do the twist, we back bend and then we rotate, and then we end up getting stuck. And I know for a lot of my students that twists are sometimes uncomfortable. Breath is restricted, ribs are tight. So there's a few things that we can do to make twists a little bit more stable and comfortable, particularly the movements of the spine. So first one is called axial extension. Face this way. Oftentimes the cue given in yoga, which is extend, becomes a back bend, so extend, okay? Spinal flexion, go the opposite way, is a rounded position. Yeah, and then we have spinal extension, which do your back bend again. And now where's neutral? It's called axial extension. It's more of an upward position where the natural curves of the spine are present, but it's neither a back bend or forward bend. It's just strong in the direction upward and downward, space in the spine. So this is the first skill that we want to have, particularly for this pose. So with your exhale, move upward and feel the strength and the length of your spine, neither back bending or forward bending. That's the first skill. Now the second skill, face towards the camera, is called lateral flexion. It's where the spine does the lengthen movement upward and then it tilts into a lateral flexion. So practice the same skill, move upward with your exhale towards the ceiling and down through your legs, 2 directions. And now put your hands on your ribs just so that you can feel the movement of your ribs with your spine. Go upward without back bending and then laterally flex. Now to learn some of the same positions, take now your right arm up alongside your ear and help that guide you into the flexion. Now rib rotation, where your rib basket is where you'll rotate. Above your navel, rotate just your rib basket, lots of breath. Re-squeeze your legs, inhale and come up, exhale, arms down. And you can practice that same skill with just the arms and the movements of the spine standing. Then we'll take it into the lunge. So come down with your left knee forward and your right leg back. Okay, so create on your own. At home, you can put your hands on the top of your head and have that feedback. So fist or hands. And with your breath, just move upward with your exhales. Okay. Strengthen through your legs all the way up into your center. Draw in and pull up. Maintain that and stretch your right arm up. And now your left arm up. Okay. Now once both arms go up in the direction towards the sky, take your right hand to your hip. Go forward with your chest without back bending. So this is probably one of the hardest parts of the shape. So go forward with your chest. Imagine that your hand was on top of your head. And now laterally flex towards the right a little bit to give space to your right hip. Now do rib rotation until your elbow hooks on the outside of your thigh. Meet your hands in Anjali Mudra. Keep the breath in the back of your ribs and twist above your navel. Your legs maintain the strength, but not in a rigid way, still fluid, present. And then option to tuck your back toes, lift through your chest from the extension of your spine, not a back bend. And then turn with your breath. Knee can stay down or your knee can lift for the full shape. Excellent. Maintain the twist with the breath in the back of the body, legs powerful and strong, and then turn head, neck, and collarbones all in the same direction. Well done. Stay here and exhale to re-strengthen your legs. Soften and come out with an inhalation. Less rigid when you come out, almost like you're just floating out. And then hands down and release. Make sure to do the second side at home.